I want to look at one of these, two of these literal equations here that get a little bit ugly, and I want to try to reassure you a little bit. For both of these, they want you to solve for the letter B. And so I'm going to circle this letter B because that reminds me that when it's all said and done, for each of these equations, B is supposed to be by itself on one side of the equal sign. Okay, that's my whole goal. Okay, now I'm trying not to freak out about all these other letters in here. Okay, that gets pretty freaky, so I'm trying to be real careful here. What I recognize is that B is being divided by H, and I get this thing. Okay, now if my goal is to get B by itself, I need to undivide by H. So how do I undivide by H? Well, I multiply by H. Okay, that's going to cancel them out. Well, how do you multiply this by H? If I just put a times H here, then only this G cubed is going to be multiplied by H. And if I just put it here, then only the D will be multiplied by H. Since I want to solve that problem and make it work correctly, I'm going to put parentheses around this, and that means the entire side over here is now multiplied by H. So the H's cancel out here, and I get B equals capital D plus G cubed in parentheses times H, or you could have the H out in front. It means the same thing, and you're done. Okay, so you just type that in. Okay? Next, on this one, I'm supposed to get B by itself. So when it's all said and done, everything else is gone from this side of the equal sign. And so what I'm going to do is say, look, it's being divided by this big mess. So to undivide by that big mess, I'll multiply by that big mess. Okay, and I'll just do that over on this side as well. And then I'm finished. So there's my answer.